Onto India now. Trinamool Congress is witnessing an internal power struggle. TMC's rebel faction is now claiming complete control over the party. They have removed party's founder and most prominent leader, Mamata Banerjee, from the post of party chief, and the rebel faction has elected four-time MLA from Howrah and former minister Arup Roy for the top post. A fresh National Working Committee has also been unveiled by the rebel faction of the TMC, featuring several leaders who were once considered close aides of Mamata Banerjee. The faction now plans to approach the Election Commission, even seeking recognition as the real Trinamool Congress and staking claim of the party's symbol. Now, the move marks a dramatic escalation in the battle for control of the party. Notably, the special session that endorsed the changes did not display any image of Mamata Banerjee on stage. This underscores the widening divide within the organization. Meanwhile, Mamata's loyalist camp has hit back sharply, issuing show-cause notices to several rebel camp leaders and even dismissing the exercise as illegitimate. Mamata's supporters maintain that the Trinamool Congress remains inseparable from its founder and insist that any attempt to alter the party's leadership structure violates its constitution. Meanwhile, TMC MP Mahua Moitra called out the situation and dubbed it as the theatre of the absurd.
अच्छा ये थिएटर ऑफ द अब्सर्ड बोलते हैं ना, थिएटर ऑफ द अब्सर्ड, इसको बोलते हैं थिएटर ऑफ द अब्सर्ड। जिस आदमी, हमारा कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में ममता बनर्जी का पार्टी है, ममता बनर्जी का पार्टी है, ममता बनर्जी का सिंबल है, ममता बनर्जी के नाम और सिंबल में हर कोई एमएलए एमपी बना है। ममता बनर्जी इज तृणमूल कांग्रेस, शी इज द चेयरपर्सन। उसको बिना टोपी पहना हुआ अरूप रॉय को बनाइए, ठीक है, आप जाइए ना, आप कल वोट पे जाइए।
From Parliament to State Assembly, around 80 elected representatives have joined the mutiny. These include 58 MLAs and 20 Lok Sabha members. Additionally, 3 Rajya Sabha MPs have also resigned from their post as well as from the party. Now, the battle for the control of Bengal's principal opposition appears to have begun as both factions prepare for a legal and political showdown before the Election Commission.